Hey guys, in today's video we shall be making turmeric rice, guys. Last time in one of my videos, you can check out the video in my playlist. I made a video concerning turmeric as a spice, and where I explained that the turmeric comes from the turmeric plant commonly used in the Asian food, and it's also called curcuma, which has this is the main spice used in curry, and it has this warm bitter taste and frequently used to flavor food or color curry powders, mustard, butters, cheese and the like. So guys, without wasting much time, so this is rice I'll be using. Let me just show you guys the brand. I am using Bio. Yeah, this rice is basmati Bio. As you can see, basmati long grain is Bio. So you can use any rice of your choice. And let me just show you guys what I have here. I have turmeric powder itself. I have this is diced cucumber with fresh habanero pepper. I have chopped sliced onions with garlics here. And here I will be using some butter here. You might use oil, guys. It's not necessary you should use butter. I just decided to use butter instead of groundnut oil or whatever. And here I have other spices. I have this is how do I put it? This is this is smoked paprika or smoked bell pepper. This is ginger powder. This is bay leaves seed and little crushed leaves. And here we have a diced ham, a sort of lard, that is pork, diced pork meat like that, smoked anyways. So let's just go straight to the point. What I will just do is I will be cooking this, parboiling this rice, sort of, I will be parboiling it, washing it, and then add the entire ingredient, and that is it, guys. So here I didn't use much spice. The reason is that I don't want, I don't want a taste of spices to overshadow the turmeric itself, which is the main, highlighted ingredient in this video. So let's get started by pouring in the rice. I am using this beautiful casting pot. So I will just be pouring in the rice here. We all know how to parboil. We all know how to parboil rice, I think, guys. So I will just cover it and begin to just boil it like 5 minutes, and then that's it. Okay, guys, so now I will bring down the rice to wash it. So I will wash it, and then okay, guys, so now the pot is on fire, and the first thing I'll be adding is the butter. So this is an eyeball measurement, guys. So personally, I love butter, in my rice so much, and it's not necessary that you must use it the way I am using it. You can use oil in case if you don't eat butter, or you have issue with butter. Okay, here I will also be adding some soya, cooking cream. So I'll be adding little of it. So we'll just add little. So I will stir it until it melts. So now I will add the diced garlics and the sliced onions. The cream is boiling with the butter, and see how it comes out. Here is the spices, the smoked paprika, bay leaf seed, and ginger powder. We'll be adding. Stir it together. So I added the lard. I'll be adding the turmeric powder, guys, which is the main man in this recipe. Is the main ingredient. Don't forget. Wow, look at the color it brings. Remember, I have not added water. Yeah, so it's like I am still frying or what. I'm still dry cooking it. You see the color? And here I will just add only the habanero pepper first. I'll be adding the cucumber last because it's vegetable and I want it fresher. So I allow it to cook a bit and then we add the rice. Okay guys, so finally we shall be adding our rice. Wow guys, my husband loved this dish so much. So you just stir together. Wow, I love the type of color that turmeric gives in dishes, you know. Wow. And for some of us that don't eat palm oil, that don't eat red oil, I think turmeric could be a good substitute. Honestly, now I remember a friend of mine that, you know, she doesn't eat palm oil, so she's always using turmeric as a substitute to palm oil in terms of color, and it comes out amazingly. So guys, at this stage now, I will continue stir frying. I've not added water. I will continue frying so that the butter, the cream will get well infused into our rice to give it that exotic taste. And I'm adding 2 cooking cubes. Guys, do what works out for you. You know, put how many you want. So make sure you lower your heat at this level, because now we are frying a sort of so to avoid your pot from burning. You continue stirring and then guys, now I'll be adding some water. Make sure you fry your rice before adding water, otherwise you will come out having a mushy pot of rice. So now I will allow it to cook. Make sure the rice and the water are the same level so that it is better to be safe than to be sorry, guys. So keep the water and your rice at the same level so that it will done all together. If you need more water, then you will add. So look at the beautiful face of turmeric rice, guys. Okay guys, at this point now I will be adding the diced cucumber, that is the vegetable, and at the same time I'll be putting off the heat because the heat from the rice will definitely cook this vegetable. As we know, vegetable doesn't take time, you know, just 2 minutes from the heat is already done. And so at this point guys, you must lower your heat, otherwise your pot will get burnt. Except if you like the lower part of the rice, as some people normally do. I, for example, I love the lower part of rice. Yeah guys, our turmeric pot of rice is ready. Wow, just look at how beautiful this appears to be, guys. So right now I'll be serving it because my husband is very hungry. So wow, look at that guys. So wow, guys. This is yummy, honestly yummy. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.